Just the perfect grab and go snack for you. Hi family and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. If you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit on that subscribe button. So today we're going to be doing drop donuts. Let's get right into the recipe. So fam, in this recipe, the first thing we're going to be doing is to mix the sugar, milk and water so that the sugar melts completely. Set that mixture aside and mix all dry ingredients, then make a well in the middle of the bowl. Go ahead and pour all your wet ingredients in the well and use your hand, a spatula or a whisk to gently mix until smooth. So fam, the last thing we're going to be doing is to use a deep fry method to fry our donuts. Make sure your oil is not too hot and then take a little of your paste at a time, forming a round ball, and fry for about 10 to 15 minutes till lightly brown. So fam, occasionally stir your donuts so they have an even browning, and once they are golden brown or lightly brown, take them out of the oil and use a strainer to drain out the excess oil. So fam, when you're frying for the second time, be careful because usually the eggs in the dough make the oil to have bubbles and they could spill over. Wow fam, there you go, our donuts are ready. If you're not following me on Instagram, I'm going to be putting my Instagram handle and my other social media platforms so you could go follow me. Thank you so much family for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you next week for more interesting videos. God bless you. Bye.